Hi everyone, in this video I'll review Super.com. Should you use it or should you skip it? Let's dive in. Super.com is an app that gives you access to discounted flights, hotels and car rentals, offering an easy way to book travel at lower prices. The app works by giving you cashback and rewards for booking through it, which can add up over time. One of the best features is the Super Cash you earn from using the app. You can use this cash to reduce the cost of your next booking. The cons? Some users report that the booking process can be a bit complicated at times and the discounts aren't always as big as advertised. So is it worth it? If you're a frequent traveller and love cashback deals, it's definitely worth considering. But if you book travel rarely, it might not be as beneficial. And that's our review of Super.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.